think many of them are on leave, I believe.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. So,
Good afternoon, madam.
good afternoon. So, we will just complete the synop, okay? And later on in my the another class, like when I'll teach you the synoptic. If you have some problem, we can just see that, okay? Sorry, I'll just share my screen. Just few moments. So today we'll talk about the clouds, okay, and so we'll talk about clouds and then and visibility. Yeah. Now I think yesterday when we were doing this present weather, the present weather concept is clear, I believe. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now next is we'll just go for clouds. अब यहाँ पे this is that WW W1 W2. After this is 8 NH CL CM CH. 8 NH. NH 8 is the code figure or the indicator figure. NH is going to be the height of the total amount of octa of the low cloud. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Low cloud height.
Low cloud. And then CL CM CH is total amount of low cloud, total amount of medium cloud, total amount of high cloud.
It is a form of cloud.
Type of cloud. Yes. The type of cloud, but like everything inclusive. Okay. Yes. So now everything inclusive of total amount of low cloud, total amount of medium cloud, and total amount of type of these जो figures में. So now you just please go to.
Sometimes I got confused in type and in form of cloud.
Nah, there is type. I'll tell you. There are two types. That is one is C and CL CM CH. Okay. So there are two parts here. One is 8 NHCl CMCH, and in this one 333 we have got 8 CL CMCH. Okay, ये 333 के section में भी आता है 8 NHCl CMCH. So there are two places where we are writing this particular cloud
individual group.
हाँ, तो this is individual group. 8 का जो है individual. So 333 में है it is individual group and ये क्या हुआ इधर पे? Why it is?
एक गैप है मैम.
Section 1 में जो है ये 8 CL CMCH. This is for the total से हम लोग वहां पे क्या लिखेंगे? CL CMCH का. What do we write? Type of the cloud. What is type? Suppose for example 9 means what? CB is allowed. Okay. For example CM में AC AS 4 तो 4 डालेंगे वहां पे. CH cirrus मतलब 1 but हाँ 0 1. तो ये this is what we will make here. But there is another section 3. Okay, section 3 में जो आता है वो है 8 CHSHS. I'm sorry, here it has been written wrong. It is section 3 में 8 CHSHS आता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो वो इन लोगों ने तो ये गलत थोड़ा लिखा है. So I'll correct it for you. This is 8 CHSHS. Okay, it is not a NHCl CMC. 8 CHSHS. C is an individual cloud. So that is there are two parts. Now let us go to that weather code book. Okay, weather code book में there are two things. Okay, अभी आप ले लो page number 6. Page number 6 में there are two things. C, CH, CL, CM. Okay, then DA, DH, DL, DM. So पहला हम लोग देखते हैं what is C. C is a type of cloud. Now यहाँ पे I am trying to explain you everything together. Okay, because I will not go back again and again. See section 1, जो section 1 है इसमें ये दिया है N is total amount of octa.
Yes, ma'am.
H is height of the lowest cloud, small h.
Mm.
Okay, and then we are having 8 NH, CL, CM, CH. Okay, and then there will be in the 333 section. मैं इसको ना अभी करेक्ट कर देती हूँ. Why? Because I'll keep it for the last. Then again this 8. It is 8 NS, N small s, small s, C, C, capital C, HS, HS. ठीक है, इसको मैं क्या चाहते सबस्क्रिप्ट में हो गया है नॉर्मल. This I will do it because no. Anyway, so ये जो है HS HS है.
Yes, ma'am.
8C HS HS. Why? Because it is the height of the cloud.
Cloud.
Okay.
That's the cloud.
हाँ. So this is small HS HS. इसको मैं करेक्शन कर दूंगी. Okay. So this 8C HS HS जो है NS NSC. So पहला हम लोग के बारे में पूरा कर लेते हैं. N there are two types. One is capital N. Now you just go to this place. Where is your code book? In the code book, page number 7. Page number 7, N, NH and NS. There are 3 types. Okay. What is N? What is NH? What is NS? So this is going to be code number 20. So you just please go to code number 20. We are trying to understand all the things together. Okay. So that if ever we have some problem, we can just do it a little later. Code number 20 में आप देखिए यहाँ दे दिया 0 is for 0 octa, 1 is for 1 octa, 2 octa, 3 octa, 4 octa and 8. Because what is it? It is actually we are trying to have the entire sky into 8 parts. Okay. When we are dividing, Karthik, Mr. Karthik, if you can just mute yourself, please. Yeah. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to have the entire the sky, we are dividing into 8 parts, and if we are trying to get the things into one place, and then we say ki what's the summation. So how much part of the octa of the particular region that of the sky is the particular low cloud or medium cloud or high cloud is covering. So that we are going to take. So N is the total amount of octa. NH and NS. What is NH? NH and NS are also the estimation of the low cloud, and NS is an individual cloud. Okay. For example, low clouds where we are having 4 types of clouds. What are the 4 types of clouds? Stratus, stratocumulus, cumulus, cumulonimbus. Okay. In between cumulus and cumulonimbus, we have towering cumulus also. That will go when we go for CL. Then medium clouds. What are the medium clouds? Altostratus, altocumulus,
Nimbostratus.
nimbostratus. Then what we are in? High cloud. High cloud में कौन सा है? Cirrus, cirrostratus, cirrocumulus. Right? Am I correct or not correct? Okay. So you people are already aware of this classification. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to give it here in CL, CM, CH. Okay. Now total amount of octa, it is the when you get all the things together. Somebody had asked me, why do we give when CB is there only 1 octa? 1 octa इसलिए देते हैं, CB is a very localized phenomena जो mesoscale system है जिसका actually width is either 1 kilometer to maximum about 10 kilometers. So when you consider entire sky ka that portion, and when you are dividing it into 8 parts, in that it can only occupy 1 part if all the small units or all the small fractions of the CB cloud is brought together and put at one place, then it can only and only occupy 1 octa. It can't occupy more than that because that is having a total base of 1 kilometer to 10 kilometer. Is that okay? CB cannot be more than 1 octa. Even if it is having east, west, north, south, west, because the individual single, small patches. So that patches ko agar if you summate the whole thing at one place, it will occupy maximum is 1 octa. That is why it cannot be beyond 1 octa as it is a mesoscale small scale system. Got it? Hello, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
why it has, and that we will be explaining, we will be mentioning. Suppose if CP is there, then CL becomes 9. Now let us go to the CLCMCH. So CLCMCH में क्या है? There are two parts. One is the C, cloud type C. Cloud type C is what? Actually the classification of individual cloud. Cloud type C is what? It's a classification of the individual cloud. That is 0 is for cirrus, 1 is for cirrocumulus, 2 is for cirrostratus. So this page mate has been given. Okay, it's an individual cloud which we will be using in section 3 when you are saying cirrus. Cirrus is 0. But when you are going to report it in CH में वो क्या आ जाता है? It becomes 1. Cirrus in the form of filaments and strands or hooks, not progressive, invading or sky. So for this also I have one PPT. I'll just show you the PPT of the cloud identification. Okay. Maybe here it will be more and more clearer for you to see the cloud identification.
Code
Okay.
number 3, 4, and 5, ma'am.
Code number
3, 4, and 5 is the cloud type.
cloud 3, 4, 5. In which page are you talking about?
Page number 10, ma'am.
Page number 10. Yeah, I'll show you. Na, see, this is what key international. One thing you see, the International Cloud Atlas में the picture which is being depicted is given in the right side. See, 2 is what? It's dense cirrus. Pehla, see, that is what I'm going to show you the pictures here. What are the pictures and how do they look like? Okay, I'm just showing the pictures. First of all, you see this is what it is. How this is looking cirrus. So this cirrus and this cirrus, is there difference in this cirrus? So which is a dense one and which is a non-dense one? There are two and then for that in the symbol card you can go to the symbol card, and in the symbol card also it is mentioned how it looks like. Okay, cirrus and dense cirrus. So when you say 1, what will be the cirrus looking like, and when you say 2, how the cirrus is looking like. So we have to actually give it an identification and tell how the cirrus is looking. What is the density of the cloud? Okay. Just 1 second. Let me take out the cloud picture. That is the card, symbol card. I'll just take out the symbol card, just 2 seconds. Here it is a symbol card. In the symbol card, see, CL ka symbols are there. CL, CM, CH ka jo symbol hai, you will have to use these symbols against the, whatever it is. Why do you require this? Why do you require this? Why do you require the symbols? See, you are coding everything in Sinop and sending. Then why do you require these symbols? Somebody?
To write in
वेदर रिपोर्ट वो 8:30 to 8:30 सेंड करते हैं ना वो ऑनलाइन, तो उसमें सिंपल.
अरे भाई ठीक है, 8:30 to 8:30 हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं.
But for chart plotting, we need these symbols.
Correct. For chart plotting, we need these symbols. Why? Because these symbols will only tell us कि in the chart you can't write numbers, so they are given in symbols. So
yes, ma'am.
otherwise, how do you identify which type of symbol is? That's why you are supposed to know all the symbols of all the clouds. Okay, and then I will also show you here. There's one more clouds के ऊपर एक PPT. I think I'll just share all these things with you See, this is also, can you just see here? This is one of the photograph that was taken, and here these are the high clouds, and these all things now I'll be sharing it with you on in the here only in WhatsApp. You people can go through. Okay. See, this is the same one. It's a PPT form, and I have shown you other one. So these are two types of cirruses, which cirrus cloud, which can be visible. So 1 and 2. So which one will be giving 1 and which is going to be 2? See, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? High cloud cirrus 1, cirrus in the form of filaments. So which is a filament? These are filaments. This is
2.
So that, and then dense cirrus will be 2 patches and entangles. This one, which usually do not increase or sometimes seem to be remaining in the upper part of the cumulonimbus. So इसके लिए this one we will giving it a 2 because it is a little dense. Okay, here देखो दूसरा आ गया. See, this one is what? These are filaments, right? तो यहाँ क्या दोगे आप?
1.
1, correct. ठीक है. अब ये क्या आ गया? देखो cirrocumulus. What is cirrocumulus? Cirrocumulus is going to be
Cumulus at high cloud.
correct. Cumulus is the high cloud. उसका नंबर क्या होगा अभी? 8. Why? Cirrostratus, that is cirrostratus. 9 is cirrocumulus.
Ma'am, 9.
9. So cirrocumulus is going to be 9. Cirrocumulus is generally not seen in on the Indian subterrane, but yes, cirrostratus 8 is visible here. And then here, this is what is cirrostratus. ये देखो, cirrocumulus. This is also something like cirrocumulus. This is cirrostratus. How cirrostratus is looking like? So मैं आपको ये pictures का जो है वो आपको भेज देती हूँ. So cirrostratus is going to be 8. This is generally what we will report whenever there is a good CB. CB के साथ में इतना थिक जो है आपका cirrostratus होता है, वो annual बनता है ऊपर में. ठीक है? Why the annual is happening? Annual is happening because of this. Okay. Can I get 5 minutes break for my team? And आप लोग भी 5 मिनट चाय पीकर आ जाओ कि 3:30 बजे को रिज्यूम करते हैं.
ठीक.
ठीक है. मेरा चाय आ गया है.
ओके मैडम.
10 मिनट्स का ब्रेक, 3:20 to 3:30 मेरा चाय ठंडा हो जाएगा. तो आप लोग भी चाय पी के आ जाइए, हम लोग ये दोनों पूरा कर लेते हैं. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.